welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I discussed how you can create a USA PayPal account with the BTC option enabled on it. And in this video, I'll be discussing with you guys how you can set up a Facebook ads. Very easy step to set up Facebook ads. And I'm creating this January 6th, this is today 7 already. January 7, 2021. So this is updated with all the latest interfaces and all the latest, dashboards. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. If you want to create a Facebook ad, there are certain things you need. I'm actually a very fast talker, so I'll try and be slow so you guys can get me. If you want to create a Facebook ads account, there are certain things you need. You need to have a Facebook account, obviously. If you don't have a Facebook account, all you have to do is go to facebook.com and hit the sign up button and register for a Facebook account. And then the next thing you have to do is to get to your Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. This is actually very easy. And one thing that people don't know is this: every Facebook account automatically has a Facebook Ads Manager account linked to it. So if you want to get to that, all you have to do is come to your browser and go to your tab and click on facebook.com/ads manager. You just type in facebook.com/ads manager and then you hit the enter button, and then it takes you to your Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. This is where you get to create your ads, edit your ads, and do all that stuff. Let me wipe this out real quick. Okay, let me just discard my drafts. Okay, by default you don't get to see all this. I'm just trying to get you guys started. Okay, so first things first, you need to have a payment platform set up so that whenever you run ads, you'll be able to pay for your ads. This is pretty much very easy. Come to this tab and then go to billing, and here you can set up your Facebook ads, and or you can use this tab. Actually, you can set up your Facebook payment, so Facebook will be able to bill you whenever they're ready to bill you. But this is actually very easy. It's not what you need to be taught. Just do this and then you get onto it. So let's go to the main topic today: creating your Facebook ads. So when you get to this platform, this is where the whole magic happens. You come here and then you click on create. So when you click on create, it takes you to a platform that shows you the various objectives of your ads. This is awareness. Awareness basically means awareness. You're trying to create awareness, you're trying to reach people. This is consideration. This basically has to do with the various objectives of the reasons why you're creating your ads. Are you trying to get traffic on your website? Do you want engagement? Are you trying to have people install your apps? Do you want videos watched? Are you trying to get lead generation, or do you want messages in your DM? You understand? So this particular ads objective helps you get there. Then we have conversion here. Conversion, basically, most times I see e-commerce, people doing e-commerce using conversion, people that have online stores. You want sales, you want store traffic, catalog sales, and all that. You get that done here. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be doing traffic. So let's get to it. So traffic, and then you click on continue. Alright, so when you get here, there's so much actually here, but I'm teaching you guys the basics, so let's just get with the important ones. Leave this section like this, just leave it like this, because except you're creating ads that have to do with politics, housing, employment, you honestly don't need this stuff. You just leave this place, and here you get to give your ads a name. So I could come here and do test 202, just to name my ads, and then you can come here. Let's leave this section for now. I like to keep this on because it helps me know how much I want to spend per day. So when you turn this on, you get to see this tab where you get to select how much you're ready to spend on your ads per day. So let's just do, I'm in Nigeria, so my currency is in Naira. So let's just do 1,000 Naira. Sometimes your currency will actually be based on your country, and sometimes it actually might not be based on your country. It might just be pretty much whatever you want it to be. So this is Naira. So let's click on next. I'm setting my daily budget at 1,000 Naira. That means I'll get to spend 1,000 Naira every day for my ads. So here you get to name your ad set if you want to, but sometimes I like to leave this like just the way it is. Then here I have website here. I'm just using this for demo. Remember, sometimes you might not actually want to drive traffic to a website. You might want to drive traffic to your app or something. So just leave this here. Let's forget this for now, and let's go to this section. Now, let me talk about this section because this section is actually very important. So if you want your ads to run for a certain time or for certain days, this is where you get that done. You can come here And if you want to set an end date, you can come here and then set whatever date you want the ad to stop running. But I like to leave it like this so I can manually stop my ads whenever I feel like I want it to stop. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you always have control of your ads. So this is audience. Audience is a very important part of Facebook ads. I feel like it's the most important part actually. This is where you get to select people that you want your ads to reach, and it has to do with all the location, the age, the gender, the demographics, and all that. So let's get to it. So my location, I'm in Nigeria, so by default you always get to see your location right here. But I can easily remove this by removing it like that, and then I can come here and type in, let me say, I don't know, Liberia for instance. Liberia for instance. Okay, Liberia. Okay, I have Liberia here, and then I can type in, let me say, Cameroon for instance. Alright, Cameroon, and then you can select whatever country you're trying to reach through this option, and then here you select the age you're trying to reach. If I want my ads to go to people below the age of 18, I can easily do from 13 to 17, you know. And if I want to reach people, like if I want to reach adults, I can always do from 18 to whatever age I want it, maybe like 57 or something. I just use that. Okay, so here is a very important part of your ads, and this is because this is where you get detailed targeting. This particular, section has a very like underrated value because people don't pay as much value to it as I think they should. This is where you get to, make your ads work or not, because oftentimes you create ads that are basically about maybe like insurance, and then people that have no interest in insurance get to see your ads because you have failed to do proper detailed targeting for your ads. So detailed targeting is a very important section of your ad which you should pay attention to, and this is how you get this done. So let's say for instance I'm creating an ads about how to lose weight. I obviously want to reach people that are looking for ways to actually get to lose weight. So I can come here and type in, for instance, keywords. Let's say weight loss, weight loss, okay, extreme weight loss. I can select any of these, and automatically my ad is going to reach people that are interested in this keyword, in this topic. So my ads is going to the right audience. You understand? I'm not just running ads, I'm running ads to the right audience. So let's just say for instance I'm not doing weight loss. Let's say I want to do insurance. I can always come here and type in the keyword insurance, and then you get to see insurance, and automatically this means my ads is going to run to people that are interested in insurance. You get? So this helps me achieve my ads objective and get my goals faster without spending too much money. So let's leave this here for now. You just depending on your objective, your own demographic would always be different from mine. I'm just using this as an example. So when it comes to the placement, I like to do manual. I don't like, some people like to do automatic, but I honestly don't like to do automatic because I already know which Facebook ad placement is best. You understand? So I come to manual, and I come to audience network. I like to turn that on because it really increases how well you can do with your ads. Instagram, I like to turn off messages, except I'm interested in messaging ads. I like to turn off messenger. Then I come here, I look for stories. I turn off stories because they have low conversion rate. I turn off streams. I turn off search, and just leave. I leave in article because I like in article. I turn off apps because people playing games sometimes just want to watch your ads so they can get maybe extra life or something too. They don't actually interact with your ads as much as you want them to. So leave this part on, leave the feed on, just take the messenger inbox away, and yeah, pretty much that's it. And then keep Facebook in article and instant articles available for you. And then you can go here. So here, this is where you get to set up what action people take before you get billed. I like to leave this at link clicks for traffic, but depending on your objective or your ads setup, you might actually be seeing a different screen here. But whatever it is you have issues with on your Facebook ads creation, leave it in the comment section. I'll respond to you guys in due time. So let's leave this at link clicks. And then cost control, I don't like to use it. Facebook already does the whole cost control for you, because if you're using optimized budget, it helps you control your cost. So now let's go to next, and then we get to where we are going. So here you get to select the page you want for the ads. you get to select a video or an image. So let me use any image just for example. So if you want to do more than one images, this is where you get that. It's called carousel. You can add up to like 10 images, I think, sometimes even more than 10. If you want collection, I know, but I'm teaching you guys the basics. Let's just go with the basics. Single image or video ads. So when you get to this point, all you have to do is add a video, add an ad, and add a link. You understand? Let them know where you want them to go. Where's your landing page? Where are you taking them when they click on you, when they interact with your ads? So single image or video. So you come here, you add image, add media, sorry, and then you go to add image. If you want to add video, you can add videos. So I have these loaded up because I've run some ads for this particular brand before. So these are just sample of videos of pictures that I've uploaded before. But to upload your video, all you have to do is come here, click upload, and then you can select from, sorry, let me do this so you guys can get it right. You can select whatever video you want, whatever video you want, whatever picture you want, or video file that you want to do. So basically I'll be going with the ones I already have here just for educational purposes. So let me choose this for instance. Alright, so if I do this, you get to do the sizing and all, but I just want to leave this as square since it's a single video. I don't want a horizontal. If you have horizontal, it's going to be like this. It really limits the whole full video, but depending on the ads. But I think square works best, so I like to leave it square. And if you want to use both ad split, then you can, but for me, I like to leave it as square. And then you click on done, and then it shows you a preview of what your ads is going to look like when it comes up. So this is what my ads is going to look like right currently with just this image added to it. So then you can go to primary text. This is where you talk about your ads, let them know what objectives you want to reach with your ads, what you really want to do with your ads and all that. So primary text, I could do get, okay, let me do this like, okay, like a discount sale. Let me do, okay, Black Friday sales. Okay, get 50% discounts. I'm just using this as an example, just to have you guys on board. Discounts on all products. Okay, order now. And then I'll put the link here. If I have a link, I don't have a link right now, but if you have a link, the link should be there. And then you can have the link here. And then also you come to this section, very important. You come to this section and you add your link again in this section. So whatever link you have, let me just do any link for instance. Let me do cnnworldwide.com. Let me do cnnworldwide.com. This is actually a site I own. I actually don't work on this site. I just like to do experiments with this. So let's come here. Okay, I'm trying to get a link. Okay, let me just take this link actually. Oh, sorry about that. Let me take this link actually, and then you come here, and then I can paste this link here, and then Facebook already has that link there. So once anybody clicks this particular tab right here, it takes them to that link. And if you want to put your link here, you have to use a URL shortener to reduce the length of your link. So you can come to bit.ly. It's called bit.ly to create short links. So you get started. Okay, to get started for free, I have an account with them, so I can easily log in on my account, and then you guys get to see the previous links I've created. But this site is where you can shorten your link. Just come in here. Sorry, let me refresh this page. Okay. Alright, I don't know what's up with the page. Okay, so you paste your link, your long link here, and then you shorten it, and then it reduces the link and gives you, it gives you very short link, very short, nice looking link. And then you can come back here and let me replace this with link, and this is what it looks like, you get me? And then I can come to this section. Where is it? Okay, headline for my ads. I can put get this here now. Sorry, let me do this. Get this here now. So I want you guys to look at where this is happening. I want you guys to look right here. This is where this is happening. Whatever editing I do here is reflect in here. So I'm literally changing whatever I have. You can have, but I advise you not to have a very long topic on this part, but you can have all your long topics at this section. Then pretty much this is basically how you create a Facebook ads. If you have some description, you can put 50% discount on all sales, 50% discount, and then that's it. Pretty much that's it. Okay, you can come if you want to change whatever option you have here. For instance, you don't want it to be learn more, you want it to be sign up, subscribe, watch more, send messages, apply now, book now, contact us, download. They have so many offers, so many options. Or shop now. I think shop now is best for this. You can have that done here. And then for tracking, this I'll be discussing this in my next video, but this is just teaching you guys the basics. So after this is done, you come here and you click on publish. The reason why my ads is not publishing right now is because this ads account actually has issues, and I have to fix that before I can be able to publish new ads. But basically, your ads account by default shouldn't have issues at all, so you would be able to publish your ads when you get to this point. So basically, this is basically how to create a Facebook ads. Nothing special. So once you do this, your ads take some time. Facebook reviews your ads. Sometimes it takes like hours. I've actually have ads take days before they get approved, but I don't think it takes that longer anymore. So sometimes it takes hours, a minute, and then your ads get approved. I think it actually depends on the type of ad you're trying to create. That depends on like how long your ad stays in review. So basically, this is it, guys. In my next video, I'll be discussing more in depth on Facebook ads, but I just want you guys to have a basic knowledge of how to create a Facebook ad. So it's been a pleasure having you guys. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please kindly leave them in the comment section. I'll reply every single comment, and I'll get to every single issue and resolve them. Thank you very much, guys. It's been a pleasure.